Welcome students. Grade 5, Black 24, Subject Science, Topic Air Pollution. Aim: able to identify causes of air pollution, suggest ways of reducing air pollution. Keywords: fuels, compressed natural gas, acid rain, pollutants, global warming. Now we are going to study about causes of air pollution. The release of harmful gases, dust, smoke and solid and liquid particles in the air pollutes it. These pollution are called air pollutants. Air can be polluted by both natural and human-made process. First one is natural gases. Forest fire emit huge quantities of smoke in the air. Volcanic eruptions release solid particles, gases and radiation into the air and pollute it. Pollen producers in plants in different seasons also pollute the air. These are the natural causes of the air pollution. Second causes is human-made causes. Emissions from power plant and chemical industries pollute the air. Emissions from vehicles also pollute the air. These gases release carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and oxides of nitrogen into the air. The chemicals used in agriculture like insecticides and pesticides. The burning of fuels and use of chlorofluorocarbons CFCs. This is aerosol sprays like perfume. Now we will going to continue to study about some of the air pollutants. First one is smoke. Smoke is released mainly by burning fossil fuels. Smoke contains unburned carbon particles. It traps more pollutants and causes severe health hazards. Lead. Exhaust fumes from cars and other vehicles that run on diesel or petrol contain lead. Lead present in these fuels is highly toxic. Particulate matter. Diesel vehicles are major source of particulate matter and nitrogen oxide. Next one is carbon monoxide. When carbon in a fuel is not completely burned, carbon monoxide is formed. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Carbon monoxide is present in the exhaust fumes of vehicles. These four substances are very health hazards of the air pollutants. So, we are use carefully in the vehicles and petrol and diesel. These are the highly toxic substances are carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide. Next, we will going to study about global warming. This global warming is already you studied in this social subject. It is made of glass. The glass helps maintain the temperature inside the greenhouse that helps plants grow. This is called the greenhouse effect. Carbon monoxide, methane, oxide of nitrogen, ozone and chlorofluorocarbons are some examples of greenhouse effect. This heat energy is trapped by the greenhouse gases. This process is called greenhouse effect. If there is an increase in the percentage of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, more of the sun's energy is trapped in the atmosphere. This results in an increase in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. It is known as global warming. Now we are going to study about how is global warming impact us. It occurs geophysical, meteorological, hydrological and climatological. Climatological means affect climate. This event over the years from 1985 to 2016. Two global warming impact as first one is melting of glaciers. Polar ice caps and glaciers and mountains are melting. Effect on farming. The frequent droughts and floods are impacting agriculture and food production. These are the global warming impacting us. Now we are going to study about some ways of reducing air pollution. These are first one is using cleaner fuel. We can use cleaner fuels that release less harmful gases in the air. Next one is reducing. We can use more public transport more often so that less fossil fuel is burned. We can carpool, walk or ride bicycle instead of using personal cars. Third one is reducing and recycling. We can reuse products so that less energy is used in making them. This in turn will reduce the emission of greenhouse gases in the air. Recovering. We can try to recover energy from already used materials. We can also use animal and plant waste to make energy. Following good practices. When purchasing a car, we can look for the most efficient, least polluting model. We can treat factory emissions before they are discharged into the atmosphere. Next one is effects of air pollution on wildlife and marine life. Wild animals also started moving to new places due to air pollution. Next, marine life is affected. Water bodies in India were highly polluted. Reason: increase in the number of industries. The industrial emissions contain harmful air pollutants that causes acid rain. When acid rain falls on a water body, it can damage. So, we will take effort to prohibit the industry in India. This way only hope to help the reduce pollute the water bodies. So we will save in the marine life and wildlife animals. This is the way of reduce the air pollution of in India and all over the world. Thank you, students.